Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V21e, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then all we have to do is to scroll down to find the system. Let's tap on it. Here we've got backup data and tap on Google server. First of all, we have to turn on this option and tap on backup account, and here make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. And right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to, you can tap on it and check the information, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept it, because here we will have more information. So you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. What's more, your device will backup the data automatically, will store it securely of course, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, which simply means that from now on your device will back up the data right on this account. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your VIVO V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.